Hello, we are back once again, and in this video we'll be taking a look at how to do a texture for this guy. So I just fixed my AO. I just fixed some of the part where there was some floating details. I fixed the AO and brought it in. That's why it's looking a little bit different from the last result, but not much different. Nothing major has been done. So for texturing, the most important thing you have to keep in mind is non-destructive workflow. It is a non-destructive workflow for a reason why we are using Painter. Because we can go change color, we can move things around, we can do a lot of stuff, change roughness, change metalness, change any value anytime. That's why it is non-destructive workflow, which is the best one. Also, you have to keep in mind while texturing, you make your layers first. That means define your materials, or I should say, let's see it that way. Whenever you are texturing, try to define all the material first. Like if you are creating something physically, so you take the internal parts and then put it in, and then take the outer shell, then assemble that and then polish it, etc, etc. So same, we'll do the same approach in Painter while texturing. All we have to make sure that we create our texture from the bottom to top. That means you cannot add dirt first. You can, but even if you can manage, that's kind of impossible if I can see that. So first we'll go all the base colors, all the materials, what is steel, what is aluminum, what is plastic, what is etc etc painted. So those will go first. Then I add second layer of detail, which are these paints, extra layer of paints, extra layer of details, normal details. Those come then. After that, it's the tertiary details that makes the difference, which is the roughness variation, scratches, little dirt, all those things which makes our asset believable. And as somebody said, imperfection in 3D is the perfection. Greatly said. So you have to make a balance between your newly created asset and put some imperfections in it, which makes it look believable. Just open ArtStation and you will find a lot of assets which look fantastic because they have some wear and tear, they have some details that can't be when you buy a new fridge, it's a different scenario. But when you create it in game and you find it in game, it's not new. It has those details, it has those things which makes you believe that yeah, it has some story. So wear and tear and everything, all little details, you have to see a story in it. Then you can excel in texture. That's the basic funda. I really like this. It's one of the beauty of 3D. After your painful retopo as well as UVs, when you come to texturing, you will have a full ground to explore. Whatever you want to do, you can do. It's up to you. Whatever materials, whatever details you want to play with, even if it looks so good. I wanted to keep texturing this guy, but for the sake of this video, I had to stop at some point, and you should know when to stop. That is a very important point. Some people create their artwork but never finish. Don't become like that. You should know when to stop so that you carry on the next one. And believe me, when you create the next asset, you will go beyond that. The previous state that you stopped, you will go beyond that in the next one. So don't worry about it. Whatever is it, just create, practice. Do not stop that when it will be perfect, I'll post, I'll work on it, work on it, work on it. Then what will happen? You will get bored of it. You will get out of the zone. You won't see result. It won't be rewarding at all. To make it worth your while, post it somewhere, get everybody's feedback. How can you improve? What else you can do for this? Which is important, right? Many people just don't post, or they stop working on it because they want to work more on it, which is nice. But if you are consistent only, then that works. If you are disciplined, no worries, you can make another one, and believe me, the next one will be fantastic. So yeah, that's the process of texturing. It's fairly easy. Painter is a well-designed software. Anybody can learn it. I learned it fairly quickly 10 years ago. But these days, yeah, it's very simple. A lot of features are there, a lot of filters, which makes it easy, which make it look believable. So yeah, go and explore Painter. It's nice software to have. And I hope you are practicing, you're learning something. I hope my videos are making sense to you. Let me know in the comments what else you want. What else you want me to make, right? And I will see you in the next one. We will be making a presentation for your portfolio with this grenade. I'll show you how it works in Marmoset 2 bed. I will see you later. Bye bye.